Now, the plus they don't have to worry about germs or anything if they're getting it from say a well system or underground. Well, we made a portable version, something called Styrofoam. And it's just something you can take with you if you're ever going out of the country and you're worried about the water or if you're going camping. The way it works is you push a button, you stick it in the water, and work it up to 32 ounces of water. This lake sometimes, you know, like we're looking at, that's full of black. Now, don't worry, it's okay. This is actually water, but it's got